Okay guys, breaking news. Oppo Reno 14 Pro here in the Philippines would be selling at 47,000 pesos. And Oppo is really known for manufacturing mid-range and selling it at flagship level price. Isipin mo, no, huwag na tayo lumayo. I-compare lang natin siya sa sarili niya. Oppo Reno 14 Pro versus Oppo K13 Turbo. Isipin mo, hawak ko rito right now yung specs. Yung pinagtatabi ko silang dalawa. Sabi ko, grabe, halos magka-similar. And si K13 Turbo, yun hindi pa pro version yan is selling at just mga 19,000 pesos to 20,000 pesos landed cost na yon. Isipin mo gaano kalayo yung presyo nun, no? For 27,000 pesos to 28,000 pesos savings. And kung kinumpare mo sa kanyang China ROM, Oppo Reno 14 Pro na China ROM variant is yung kind of 512 is just selling at around mga nasa 3,000 pesos? Grabe guys! That's a 14,000 pesos difference. So, banggitin ko lang, no? Ilaban lang natin sa K13 Turbo and ito makita natin ng specs, no? Siguro pwede nyo i-check sa GSM. Kahit GSM Arena lang, compare nyo side by side. Processor niya is the same, which is sporting the MediaTek Dimensity 8450. Then, AMOLED display, pareho naman sila. 120Hz, same lang din sila. And Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, I think same lang din sila, no, yung glass protection. And maganda kay K13 Turbo, may fan ka pa. Now, lamang na lamang lang siguro si Reno, pero which I think hindi naman sobrang lamang kasi we've seen in the past, 11, 12, 13 ni Reno series is medyo mediocre ang kanyang pro na camera, which I sinasabi ko naman, no, kung Hasselblad I might probably consider. No? But since hindi siya Hasselblad, you're charging too much, no? Tatlong triple na 50MP camera versus isa lang kay K13 Turbo. Kanyang front-facing camera, lamang pa rin si Reno, which is siguro lamang for this series, no? Pero all the others, battery, talo. 6.2 lang with the 80 watts na charging si Reno 14 Pro and 7,000 mAh kay K13 Turbo with the 80 watts sa fast charging support din. And guys, kitang-kita natin, no, na sobrang laki ng china-charge ni Oppo, no, for their mid-range phone. Or siguro gusto nilang tawagin na lower flagship level na phone, itong si Reno 14 Pro. And plus yung tinitingnan ko rin IP rating, no, IP68, IP69 and water resistant, parang-pareho din sila. So, guys, kayo humusga. Overpriced ba si Reno 14 Pro or hindi? Let me know in the comments.